Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to post Instagram story from your laptop or PC. Okay, first thing guys, you want to log into your Instagram account using the web version, of course. Now you want to click on your profile picture in the top right. Now after you are here guys, after you are here where you can see your pictures, stuff like that, you want to move your mouse to this place and then right click. Okay, right click and click on inspect. Now what we are going to do now, we are going to check Instagram that we are using a phone, not the web version of Instagram. Now what you need to do guys, next you want to click on this small phone with a tablet icon here, as you can see. Make sure it's blue. Okay, now after that, what you need to do guys, next you want to click on here, as you can see in the top left, and select a phone. I'm going to go with this iPhone. Okay, now next thing you want to do guys, you want to click on home, like home page, this. Okay, and you want to reload the page. Okay, just reload it and wait for it. It's going to take a little bit of time. It says here sending a request, so just wait for it a little bit. Okay guys, after you are on this page, as you can see, it looks like you are using your phone. If it doesn't take you to this page, you want to click on home. Okay, and you want to click on your story, and here you can select which story you want. Click on it, and that's it guys. That's exactly how you can post an Instagram story without phone. And then click on add to your story at the very bottom, and that's it. You can also edit it as you want. You can add music to it. Now after you finish, you want to click on add to your story, and that's exactly guys how you can add Instagram story to your Instagram without phone. Now we have trick. Now after you finish guys, after you post the picture, you want to click on, you want to just toggle this off. After it's not blue, then you can reload, and that's it. You want to close this, and that's it guys. You are back on your Instagram, and now you have posted your Instagram story. See you guys in the next video. If this video helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys next time.